Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious, healthy, plant-based tzatziki sauce, which is the continental equivalent of the Indian cucumber raita but better. We start by moistening some coffee filter papers and hanging 4 cups of our homemade soya milk dahi or yogurt. In one of my previous recipe videos, I've shown the easiest way to make this delicious creamy soya milk dahi or yogurt. Okay, now peel, deseed and grate a full kg of cucumber, wrap it in a muslin cloth and squeeze all the juice out. To a mixing bowl, transfer the hung yogurt along with the grated and pressed cucumber, nutritional yeast, onion powder, apple cider vinegar. The signature ingredient is definitely the dill leaves, some salt and pepper, and then mix it all. And that's all. The tzatziki is ready. Serve it with some olives, some pomegranate seeds. Have it with your favorite falafel wraps or the Middle Eastern platter recipe that I had made. Do try this recipe and let me know how you like it.